Hello my dear aspirants, I hope all of you are doing well. So today's video is going to be an informative kind of a video which will be very helpful for all of you who are going to prepare for SLET exam or who are going to appear for the SLET exam, that is. So as you all know that your exam will be held on 15th March 2026 and the application forms are out. I hope most of you have already filled the application forms and I wish you all a very good luck for your exam. But I am going to make this video for especially for those students who are not very concerned or who are willing to appear for the exam maybe in 2027 or 28 attempt, but they are not very clear about the concept of the exam. They want to know what exactly is SLET and the eligibility criteria, etc. So this video is going to be a very basic video for SLET exam. What actually is SLET exam, what is the importance of the exam, what is the eligibility criteria of the exam, and what is the exam pattern and how it can help in your career. First of all, let's talk about the importance of the exam. So most of you already know, but for those who don't know about the exam, is the state level eligibility test, which can help you to apply for assistant professor post in government colleges and university according to UGC rules. So when you qualify the exam, you are eligible to apply for those assistant professor posts in any colleges or universities. But remember one thing, qualifying this exam cannot ensure that you will get that job, because apart from this exam, there are many more criteria that you need to fulfill. But yes, you can appear for the interview if you have this certificate in your hand. Next, let's talk about the eligibility criteria. So in order to apply for the exam, you need to have 55% marks in your masters, and if you are from general category, and if you are from reserved category like ST, SC, OBC, then 50% marks in your masters is mandatory in order to apply for the exam. And remember one thing, your university must be an UGC recognized university. Point number 3, let's talk about the organizing committee. So the SLET exam is organized by the SLET Commission of Assam or Northeast region, and their office is in Jalukbari, Guwahati. Here I am providing you the contact details and the address of the office. If you have any kind of query related to the exam, you can contact here or you can visit their office also. If we talk about the subjects available in SLET, then here is a very big list. Almost all the traditional subjects that are available in master's level are available for SLET. So if you are a student belonging from Assamese, economics, geography, history, English, maths, physics, chemistry, so you can easily apply for the exam. But yes, for life science, that means botany, zoology, microbiology, biochemistry, all the biological subjects are included in one subject which we call life science, and I especially is a life science educator, so I generally focus on life science in my rest of the videos, but in this video I am focusing on overall subjects because this is a generalized information for any student belonging from any subject. Now let's talk about different centers of the exam. So the SLET exam is conducted in various centers across Northeast, which is a very good thing actually. This actually helps students belonging from various regions of Northeast to easily appear for the exam. It can save time and their labor also. So the different centers of SLET exam are Guwahati University, Dibrugarh University, Tezpur University, Assam University, Manipur University, Rajiv Gandhi Central University, Arunachal, Tripura University, Nar Bahadur Pandri Degree College, which is in Sikkim, then Mizoram University, Northeast Hill University, which is in Meghalaya, Nagaland University. So this is a very good thing. So there are different centers, so accordingly you can fill up your form. And yes, if you are relocating after filling up your application form, if you are relocating somewhere or if you feel that you need a better, you can opt for a better center, then also there is provision, you can change your center after filling the form also. They will give such window, they will open a window for a specific period of time. Now we are heading towards a very important section of this video, which is the pattern of the syllabus, or So here I am going to discuss about the pattern of the exam and your precise syllabus. You can download it from their official website. Your subject specific syllabus will be available in that website. You, after this video, you quickly go to that website and you download your syllabus, because downloading your syllabus and having a print out a hard copy of your syllabus is the first and the most important thing that you need to have in your hand in order to qualify that exam. Now let's talk about the pattern of the exam or the pattern of the questions. See, the exam or the question paper is of two parts, part 1 and part 2. Part 1 is a general questions. Part 1 will contain general questions and part 2 will be your subject specific questions. All the questions will be multiple choice questions. There will be no negative marking for wrong questions. For correct questions you will get 2 marks, and for wrong questions no marks will be deducted and you will not get marks also, obviously. So there are different patterns of the questions, like especially for part 2. There are match the following questions. Those are easier. I always recommend the students to solve the match the following questions at first, because those are scoring, and if you know 1 or 2 options, then you can reach to the correct option easily. So match the following questions are the easiest one. Then you will get some statement based questions, like true and false kind of a questions. And the third type of question is assertion and reason, which are a little bit complicated if you are not clear with the concepts. But if you are clear with any concepts of your particular subjects, then you can easily solve the assertion reason questions. There will be a short 30 minutes break in between paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 will be of 1 hour. Total number of questions will be 50 and the marks in each question will be 2. Therefore, total marks in paper 1 will be 100. After 30 minutes, you will have to appear for the paper 2. Paper 2 is of 2 hours. Total questions will be 100 and for each questions you will get 2 marks, and therefore total marks will be 200. Your exam usually starts at 10 a.m. From 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. you will be appearing for the paper 1. Then you will get a 30 minutes break. From 11:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. you will have to appear for the paper 2. Paper 1, the questions will be generally from your general knowledge, like different types of research aptitude, teaching aptitude kind of questions will be there. Some GK related to Northeast, some current affairs related to Assam and Northeast will be there. Some very easy reasoning questions will be there, like statistical kind of questions will be there. So some graphical questions will be there. Just by visualizing the graphs you can easily attempt. So I also recommend you to go for those type of questions first, where you see graph. So by visualizing the graph, by analyzing the graph, you can easily reach to the correct option. So for paper 1, always go for the graphical questions first and reasoning questions, because for that you don't need any prior knowledge. You just have to analyze, you just have to use your brain for a while, and then you can reach to the correct option. Some mathematical numerical questions will also be there in paper 1, but generally you have to be very clear with research aptitude and teaching aptitude, like higher education system, NEP 2020, etc. So the examination is not online, it's completely offline. You will get your OMR sheet where you have to fill the blocks with a ball pen, black or blue ball pen, and you will get one question booklet. The carbon copy of the OMR sheet will be allowed to take with you. You can take your take the carbon copy of the OMR sheet with you after the exam, and you can also bring your question booklet with you after the exam, so that when the answer key will get released, you can match your answers. A provisional answer key will be released after the exam, after maybe 1 or 2 months. Then the final answer key will be released, and then after 4-5 months your results will be declared. Now there is a 6% rule for qualifying. That means 6% of all the appearing candidates will qualify for the exam. For example, if 100 students are appearing for the exam, 6 of them will qualify. So this was all about the exam and the exam pattern. I have also explained you the importance of the exam. So in this video, I was just letting you know about the pattern of the exam and why it is important. So if you want to know something more, I have uploaded many videos related to some important tips and tricks to qualify the exam, how to study, what to do, what not to do. But in this video I'm not including everything in one video. This is just an informative video, but this is not a tip and tricks kind of a video. So in some next video I can discuss some more important things about the exam. If you want to know, you can comment down below. And yes, if you want to take detailed coaching from me for Northeast SLET and also for CSIR NET, so you can comment down below, and or you can contact in the given number. I used to provide detailed coaching for life science for Northeast SLET, and yes, for paper 1 also I used to provide guidance. And I am wishing all the best to those who already know everything about the exam and who are going to appear for the exam. All the best for them. And for those who are going to start their preparation, I hope this video was helpful enough. Kindly share this video with your friends so that they also get benefited from this video. Bye and take care.